Today was a great trip through the art of the possible, and where emerging technology is going, where people see real application and value for the things that we can do with data in a relatively efficient and deployable fashion.
Selection Day today was really great, just like Plug and Play is really great, because you're filtering the startups and you're filtering the corporations and you're introducing us to each other in a context of trust where we can really discuss each other's problems and figure out whether we can work together.
We're just really excited to get our finger on the pulse of the industry. This is something you don't hear a lot about unless you have experience in supply chain. It's a lot of B2B stuff. You don't hear about it as a consumer and the details of the problems they're going through. So we're really appreciative of the opportunity to get to understand these companies a little bit better.
The Selection Day is a really great insight for us in Lufthansa Cargo, because we can see the technological developments in supply chain and logistics. This supply chain and logistics accelerator is famous for what you have already set up, and we are glad that we joined in this program.
We would love to accelerate the introduction and commercialization of our product. We realize how important it is to develop these relationships, and this is a single place that we can come and meet prospective customers and partners in the industry. Additionally, we're looking to learn from other companies that participate in the program and from Plug and Play itself.
What we liked about the program was that it's been run really tight and very well organized. We like the depth and the breadth of enterprises that have been participating.
Meaning people that have the same interests as we have, the same challenges, also the other corporate partners that we met here. It's really great to exchange with them and see what challenges and what tasks they have, and we can just benefit and learn from each other.
It's not that simple to get in contact with the right decision makers within the companies. Here we have the feeling that we actually connect with the right people in order to move forward on pilots and then the next implementation phase.
So it's really impressive the level of startups that are presenting. We see that they are all very innovative, so Plug and Play is everywhere, and we're really excited to be here.
Aujourd'hui, c'était vraiment très excitant parce qu'on voit beaucoup de choses ou on entend beaucoup de choses dans la presse, mais là on peut les toucher, on peut les sentir, on peut vraiment voir ce qu'ils sont réellement et discuter avec les gens qui font les choses, et ça c'est vraiment très intéressant.
We're interested to see, where are there some opportunities for actionable pilots that come out of those kind of joint interactions between the other partners in the program and the technology companies that are actually in the accelerator program.